Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sykesville Stangs. Today we have the 2017 Nissan Altima SV. This midsize family sedan, the SV model, starts at around $25,460. Miles per gallon is 27 city, 39 highway, 18-gallon fuel tank. The models include the 2.5, 2.5S, 2.5 SR, the SV, which we're going to review right now, the 3.5 SR, 2.5 SL, and the 3.5 SL. Now, I do believe all of these models come with the CVT transmission, which I am not a fan of. This is a rental, so my review is going to be kind of based off of this rental. I don't know how one coming from the dealership would handle. This particular model only had like 25,000 miles on it, so maybe a little less, but in any event, my review is going to be based off of this particular model and not the overall Nissan Altima in general, so keep that in mind. I'm not a big fan of the CVT transmission, and with that being said, basically, if this car had a 6-speed or a 7-speed transmission mated with that 2.5 liter or the 3.5 liter motor, this would be a nice car to own. But because of the CVT transmission, I don't think I would buy it. But let's get into this review, and you can make a judgment for yourself and go out and test drive it, and maybe they change things up for the 2018 model. We'll see, but yeah, let's just get into the review. Let me step out, show you what's going on the outside, and then I'll show you the motor. Alright, we're sitting on, let's see, we got 215 5517s. Nice looking wheel here. You have four-wheel disc brakes all around. Give you a shot of the motor. This is what it looks like on the inside. Getting that 2.5 liter, 179 horsepower. Nice looking engine. The only thing I can say so far that I really don't like about this is the CVT engine. I really don't like the CVT engine. I don't know why they just don't put like a 6 or 7 speed in here and just be done with it. I mean, I know it's supposed to be more fuel efficient, but it's just, you'll see when I demonstrate. I don't like it. It's just my personal preference. I don't like the CVT. But that's a shot of the motor. Let's get a walk around of the overall car. I do like the dual exhausts. It's nice roomy interior. The kids are very comfortable back there. Miles per gallon is 27 city, 39 highway. So I'm getting ready to give you the startup of it. Alright, so let's do our test drive. You have standard shift here. I'll demonstrate that. Got your key knobs here. Here's your cruise control. You can hook up your phone, answer it here, hang up here. Volume control for the stereo here. Flip through your sources here. This button here changes the radio station. And what's cool, you can also see the radio station right here next to your gauges. 160 on the dash. We got a tank full of gas. So let's ride. But before we do that, automatic window for the driver, not for the passenger. That's terrible. But again, that could be because it's the SV model. Same thing with the rear. Got your mirror gauges here. You got a nice cup holder here. Speaker here. Speakers up there. This isn't the Bose sound system. Push button start. A nice little screen here. Volume control here. AM FM button here. It does have XM radio. Let's see what else can be displayed on here. You do have backup camera. Right there. CD player right there. Flashing lights there. Airbag passenger off. If someone's in it or not, that should go off. When someone sits down, it should turn on. Let's see what the lights look like real quick before we take off. Got your door open warning. Fog lights on there, that looks pretty good. Wife yelling at the kids already, and we just begun the day. Alright, so let's do a test drive, shall we? Yes, so that's good. It does have blindside monitoring. In the meantime, you have your glasses holder here. You got your interior lights here.
Hello.
I do like that,
Daddy.
but I'm frowning upon this right here. Come on, I'm giving Kia gripe for it. I'm gonna give you gripe for it, Nissan. Make this consistent. Really. This is cool. What the hell is this? Come on. Yeah. Thank you. What color is that, Mama?
Same as this one.
Yeah, okay. You can turn it off. Thanks. Let's see, I'll give you a quick sound of the stereo. Alright. That's enough of that.
It's so loud.
Let's see if I can beat this car next to me.
It's so loud.
So the CVT gets up pretty good, but again, I'm old school. I'm used to going through those gears. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Not just constantly going all the way up to 5,000 RPMs and then settle down. I don't get it. But whatever. Let's see what else we got here. You got your dual climate control. She likes it on hell. I got it down to 70.
Any booty warmers?
These are cloth seats,
Oh,
so
shoot,
no,
yeah.
there wouldn't be any booty warmers.
It's just.
Goodness, there's a lot of traffic out here.
Saturday. Everybody's been cooped up.
still yellow, y'all, so don't give me no grief for that. I do notice when you hit the gas, it's kind of like a groaning sound, like, I don't know if y'all can hear that. I'm not giving it a lot of gas, I'm just, giving it a little bit. It's like a groan sound.
It's growling at me.
I don't know if that's because of the CVT transmission. Yeah, that was snowing. It snowed somewhere. I'm thinking probably Westminster. Mess with the camera in the back. That CVT transmission. Onto the beltway, it gets up pretty good.
So you learned a new move today?
Outside, you can hear the wind in the interior a little bit. Move your hand from the camera. Thank you. So there you have it, a brief overview of the 2017 Nissan Altima SV. By our overall opinion, I do like it. It's roomy inside, nice mid-sized vehicle for the family. My only gripe, and the only reason I would not purchase this vehicle for myself personally, is the CVT transmission. I think the CVT transmission doesn't do that 2.5 liter or the 3.5 liter justice. I just personally like a 6-speed automatic or maybe even a 7-speed automatic. I don't know if Nissan will address this, or at least give the consumer the option to either go CVT if they want to, save for gas, or have the option to go with a 6-speed or 7-speed transmission. Give me the option. Don't basically tell me, hey, this is it. You either like it or you don't. I don't like being backed into a corner, basically. Hey, you only have you only have the CVT transmission as an option. And with that being said, I'll be like, okay, well then I'll go to Kia, where the Altima has a 6-speed automatic, or maybe even Honda. I think Honda gives you the option on the Accord for CVT or 6-speed. I think they still do that. And even Toyota, where they give you an option. So Nissan kind of backed the consumer in a corner, basically saying, if you like the Altima, here it is, but it only comes with a CVT transmission. and no other options. That's not good. That would make me go to another dealership real quick. But that's it for this review. Hope you enjoyed it. You can follow us on Twitter. You can see the description right here on the screen, and Instagram as well. And we'll see you on the next video. Y'all be easy.